worried yung administrasyon, baka sila ma-erap. Diba? At kung ma-erap sila, hindi yan gagawin ng maaga pa lang within the first year. Kasi dahil yung Supreme Court ruling, parang 2 years or more pa kailangan para ma-entitle yung VP to run for another term. And therefore, it is important for not even talk to any of the military, di ba? Wala siyang kausap na PNP kasi sabi niya, sinong siraulong military o police ang maniniwala sa akin? Bakit pupunta sila sa akin? That type of something. Kasi tignan ninyo, bakit worried ang administrasyon? Bakit sila worried? It's to the point that they don't address the issue. Dinededma nila. And at the point where a lot of people, it's starting to snowball, kailangan i-address nila yung issue na ito because it might have a destabilizing effect. Diba? Now, the rule always is for any government to protect itself. The state protects itself. Okay? So yung mga nagsasabing, bakit hindi nilalabas yung video? Because, kung lumabas ang video na yan, kailangan may counter threat. And the counter threat is that, should there be an uprising, a legal one or whatever, then there is a possibility of a 9-year presidency for the one who takes over. Who succeeds can still run for another term. So yun po ang hindi na nakikita ng mga nagcha-challenge. Yung mga nagsasabi na oy, kung totoo yan, ba't di nilalabas? Kasi masama pa ang timing. Okay? So, why did I use this one? Bakit ito ang tingin natin na na possibility? Because ever since, from the start, alam natin na ang kapraningan ng administrasyon kay VP Inday is baka sila ma-erap. Okay? Now, bakit sila praning na baka sila ma-erap? Because they are aware that